Hey guys, so today I am doing this full face of Makeup Revolution. So every single product I use on my face today is Makeup Revolution. If you guys don't know who they are a drugstore affordable brand, and they literally they have a range of products. Like Makeup Revolution are the ones that always come up with like new products like every day, to be fair, yeah, so they have literally everything, to be fair. And I did create my whole face up with this, so let me know if you guys like this look, and yeah, keep watching.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one, the only one that
Hey guys, so I'm doing a full face of Makeup Revolution today, and Makeup Revolution is one of the my favorite brands. I literally have a ton of their products. Like I did buy like a couple more stuff just to like try out and stuff, but like what can I say I bought these two palettes. I have other palettes on Makeup Revolution, but I think I'm gonna use these two today. I bought like some foundations, but I just bought a ton of stuff really. But I did have quite a few because, as I said, that is my favourite brand, so I have quite a bit of it at home already. But yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil. Looks like this in the shade dark brown. I started using this recently and I quite like it. But I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution brow gel, just to kind of like keep my eyebrow hairs up and just keep it in place. I'll probably go in with this first. Eyebrows, I'm not done, so please don't judge, because I don't know how they're going to turn out. I'm not sure. Should I like darken it? I don't know. Should I use like a matte shade today, or should I use a shimmer shade? I don't know. But this is very like bright. Maybe I'll use a shimmer. I'm going to go back in with the other shade I used previously, and I'm going to blend the two together. I'm going to put some concealer on my lid, just to give whatever my next step something to stick to. I'm not sure what my next step is going to be, but it'll give it something to stick to. I'm going to go in with this gold shimmer shade, and I'm going to put this, I think I'm going to keep it quite centered today, so I'm going to like make it like as a halo eye. I'm going to keep it quite in the middle, and then I'm going to go in with the other colours and make sure they're like in the corner. This is literally like no setting spray. This is straight from the palette. I'm putting it on my eyelid. Like it's actually pigmented pigments. Just just to give it some smoke, because it is quite. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this primer. It is a mattifying primer. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about this primer because I've tried it before. It's not one of my newer purchases, but I don't feel like it does anything. I don't know what it does because like it's weird for a mattifying primer to be in like this gel formula. So I'm not really sure if it's like really effective, to be fair. So I did decide to go and get the second primer that I have. It is the 24-hour makeup protection primer. This one's quite messy. I don't know why I thought it was like leave-in primer, but hopefully it does that because that's kind of the effect I like on my face when I prime. I like it to like smooth out my skin. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go in with this. 2 primers is better than 1 anyway, to be fair, so they can both do their job together. Okay, next I'm going with my foundation, and I got these Revolution Pro full coverage camouflage foundation. Look like this. I did buy 2 foundations because I wasn't sure what shade I was, and I'm kind of happy I did because the original shade I would have thought I would have been, which is F16, is a bit too dark, so I'm going to mix the 2. So I got F16, which looks like this, it looks like that, and then the F13, which is this one, which is obviously a lot lighter than me, but it looks like this. So I reckon when I mix the 2, they should be my shade. So I'm going to mix the 2 foundations. And so the one thing I would say from this foundation, yeah, I do have a couple swatches on my face, I was trying to figure out my shade, is that this foundation is very thick. Like, it's very thick, so I'm going to go in with a beauty blender to blend it out today because I don't want it quite heavy on my face. So I don't want it to feel heavy, and I feel like if I go in with a brush, it would keep the coverage and it would make it quite heavy on my skin, and that's not really what I'm looking for today. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go with my beauty sponge. I'm gonna blend it out. Also, this foundation was, it's said to be full coverage. I'm not sure if you guys have seen, but I think this was a foundation where some people used it to cover tattoos. Like, is that full? If you guys do like coverage, I thought this would be a good foundation. actually my favorite brand. Like, you guys cannot fail me. Like, cannot come and fail me. Cannot come and embarrass me in front of everybody when I'm boasting about you. And I'm gonna go in now with this Makeup Revolution Bake and Blot. The aim of this, I don't know how this one is gonna turn out because I don't know. This isn't my MAC powder. This cannot compare to my MAC powder, so I'm not really sure how it's gonna turn out. I hope that it somewhat does the job. If not, we're pissed, but hopefully it does. But it even looks very yellow. Oh, I don't think it's gonna do anything. Oh my god, I don't know if this is gonna do anything. I don't think it's gonna do what my MAC powder does, but we're gonna try. I probably should have just used this. Oh no, hold on. I'm just gonna use a little bit. I'm not gonna use too much. Oh no, especially not underneath this eye. The eye is caked with powder. Jesus. Okay, so I'm actually gonna set my face right. I'm gonna spray my face right now because I look scary. So, and I cannot look at that. So, I look really scary. Don't judge. Just it's gonna come together. It's gonna come together. And the next thing I'm gonna use is the Makeup Revolution loose setting powder. This is in the shade Deep Dark. Hey guys, so I'm back now. I did a little bit of fixing. I decided not to go in with that setting powder because it was just a bit too, it was dark on my face and it made it look like I basically contoured my whole face. So I decided to kind of go in with my usual setting powder and just use that all over my face. So I'm going to go in now and I'm going to bronze my face, I think, yeah. So I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Sculpting bronzer. It looks like this, but I think I'm going to go with this one today. Hopefully it comes out good because I have heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm going to use this today. So I'm going to go in with an angled brush. I don't know how this feels. I'm scared. Oh, okay, okay. Ooh, okay. I think I like this. Ooh, I think I like this. Like, guys, can you see that already? Oh, baby. I can't lie. I think I'm in love with this bronzer. This might be a new one. This might be a new one. Obviously, don't get twisted. It doesn't compare to Fenty. Let's not get twisted. It doesn't compare. But it's still good. It's still good. Kind of like reverse contour just to like sharpen the bronzer a bit because it is very like everywhere, which I do like. Don't get twisted. Just to bring it in. Oh shit. Next I'm going to go in with blush. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded Baked Blush. I mean, I don't really wear brush too tough, but today we'll try. So it's actually a pretty colour though, but I don't know. It's actually nice. I'll put a bit on my nose like this, and then highlighter palette, and then I'm gonna literally just put this. Palette is so pigmented, like a light bulb. Like I feel like someone switched the light on. Ooh. And it's there. Like it's a lot. I'm gonna blend it. My face is very matte though. That's what I could say. It's very, very matte. What do I do after this? Okay, I'm gonna spray my face. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Matte Fix Spray. I don't want my face to be any matter than this, but I do love the scent spray. Like, even though it's mattifying, but what it does to your skin is just different. Like, this is one of my favourite. To go and buy this one. This one, go and buy. I'm just gonna go in with kind of like the same colours I used on top of my eye, underneath my eye, just to like, you know, balance it out. So I'm going in with that orange shade I used first. I'm gonna blend it underneath. Go in with the reddish shade and put that underneath as well. But it's giving me fallout. Don't fall on me. So the next thing I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use this Revolution Velvet Kiss lip crayon in the shade TGIF. It looks like this. It's like a brown, warm brown lip liner.